Hi, this is Chris, and in our previous videos we have covered all of the basic log rules like converting exponents into coefficients, how to expand when you have something that's multiplied that gets converted into addition, how to condense when you have something that's being added or subtracted that you're pulling back into a log function, etc. So if you haven't seen those videos, please go check those out. But for now, let's just take a look at two slightly more complex log questions than what we've seen so far. So here we're being asked to expand this log, which is the log of x cubed y over z squared. So first we're going to use our rule that we've talked about, which is when you're multiplying, upon expansion, that gets converted into addition. So since we're doing x cubed times y, we know that's going to get added as separate log functions. And then when you're dividing, upon expansion, that gets converted to subtraction. So we know that we're going to subtract the log of z squared. And let's see if we can put that together here. So first step would be log of x cubed plus log of y. Right, those are being multiplied. And z squared is being divided. So upon expansion, that gets converted to subtraction. All right, so we've expanded this, but we're not done yet. So here, we still have to convert some of these exponents into the corresponding coefficients, like we've seen in our previous video. So this is going to become 3 log x plus log y minus 2 log z. And then we're done. We have everything fully expanded. We only have log functions of individual terms inside each log function, so we know that this is full expansion of that original expression given. Now let's take a look at a question where we have to compress a log function. So for compression, whenever you have to compress or condense your log functions into one, you're basically going to take those same rules and you're going to go in the reverse direction. So here, first step, we're going to take these coefficients and put them back into their appropriate place inside the log function as exponents. So this will be log of x to the third power, or x cubed, plus log y squared minus log of z to the fifth plus log of a. All right, so step one, we've taken care of those coefficients. Now, our next step, remember, it's the reverse of what we just did in that previous example. So when expanding, upon expansion, multiplication is converted to addition and division is converted to subtraction. Upon compression, it's going to go in the reverse direction. So if it's a plus in between your log functions, when you bring them together into one log function, you're going to multiply those. So this would be x cubed times y squared. And then when it's a minus, you're going to divide. So that would be over z to the fifth. And this plus means multiplication, so that would be times a. And that would be our full compression of this log function. Let me see if I can just move this down a little bit so it's easier to see. And here, this fully compressed version of our expanded form would be the log of x cubed y squared a over z to the fifth. For more, please stay tuned and take a look at our other videos. Thanks for watching.